Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. The 2025 Audi Q5 represents a new generation, succeeding the 2016 model. Positioned between the Q3 and Q7, it offers a balance of practicality, advanced technology, and refined design. The exterior features an updated single-frame grille, LED headlights, and redesigned wheels. The S-Line trim replaces silver accents with black, while the rear features a full-width light bar. Pricing has not been announced but is expected to surpass the previous starting price of $73,000. However, the updated model provides a larger body, a more refined interior, and enhanced powertrains. The Q5 is available in two configurations: the standard version, which offers increased cargo capacity, and the Sportback, which features a coupe-like roofline. The standard model will launch first, followed by the Sportback. In Europe, engine options include two 150 kW turbocharged four-cylinder variants, petrol and diesel, and the SQ5's 3.0L turbocharged V6, producing 270 kW and 550 Nm of torque. All models are equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. A mild hybrid system with a 1.7 kWh battery improves fuel efficiency, enables low-speed electric driving, and provides an additional 18 kW power boost. The interior features high-quality materials and digital displays, creating a modern ambience. The S-Line seats enhance comfort, while storage solutions include a wireless charger and USB-C ports. Touch-sensitive controls replace traditional buttons, potentially affecting usability. Rear seats slide and recline, offering flexibility, with air vents and charging ports ensuring passenger convenience.